Most people look at a television and see a giant, glossy black rectangle that kills the vibe of a perfectly decorated room. It sits there like a dark void on the wall until you finally press power. But what if that screen actually belonged there as a piece of curated gallery art? That is the big gamble with the latest professional version of the famous frame television. It is not just about watching movies anymore. It is about how the device lives in your space when the show is over. The biggest shift this year is that new matte screen. It is a game changer for anyone with a sun-drenched living room. Traditional TVs act like mirrors. They reflect every window and lamp in the house. This specific model uses a specialized finish that basically eats glare for breakfast. You can stand right in front of it and you will not see your own reflection staring back. That surface is what makes the art mode actually work. From across the room, it looks like a canvas. It does not have that digital glow that usually gives the secret away. Under the hood, they have upgraded the panel technology to offer much higher brightness than previous versions. High dynamic range content pops with a lot more intensity now. Colors are vibrant. The upscaling makes even older streaming shows look sharp. However, if you are a hardcore cinema purist, there is a trade-off. Because of how the panel is built to look like art, the black levels are not going to rival those ultra-expensive organic displays. In a pitch-black room, those deep shadows might look a little more like dark gray. Also, movie buffs might miss certain premium cinematic formats that this brand still avoids. It is a choice between peak aesthetic and peak technical performance. If you decide to go for it, the installation is where the real magic happens. You cannot just slap this thing on a standard stand and call it a day. It is designed to sit flush against the wall. You need to find the studs. You must mount it precisely at eye level. The manufacturer even included a new wireless connection system for your peripherals. Instead of a mess of wires hanging down, you have a separate box you can hide in a cabinet or on a shelf nearby. This box talks to the screen wirelessly across a distance of about 30 feet. That is a massive leap forward for keeping things clean. You still need power behind the screen though. A recessed outlet is your best friend here if you want that truly flat look. Once it is up, you dive into the digital art store. You can rotate through world-class paintings or even your own family photos. You have to tweak the motion sensors and brightness settings so the screen dims when the room gets dark. Otherwise, your painting will start glowing in the middle of the night and ruin the illusion. Let's talk about the mounting process a bit more. You really want to treat this like you are hanging a heavy masterpiece. You have to be meticulous. If it is crooked by even a tiny bit, the whole illusion of it being a picture frame falls apart instantly. The slim wall mount system is included, but it requires some patience to get it perfectly level. Once you get those anchors in and the screen clicks into place, the gap between the device and the wall is almost non-existent. It is that physical closeness that tricks the brain. When you walk past it at an angle, you do not see the usual bulk of a television. You see a slim framed object. The brand also offers different bezel colors. You can snap on a wood finish frame or a sleek white one to match your furniture. It is those little custom touches that take it from a piece of tech to a piece of furniture. If you're worried about the energy bill, the motion sensor is quite clever. It knows when you leave the room and shuts the art off to save power. When you walk back in, the painting reappears as if by magic. It is a sophisticated way to handle a screen that is meant to be on all day. It stops the television from being the loud, distracting center of attention. Instead, it becomes a quiet part of the background. It is a massive shift in how we think about our home electronics.